There is so much you're going to learn from today's video. Cloves and flax seeds are really great for our natural hair. But the men's, girl, the struggle is real. But don't worry, you're still going to love it because the benefits outweighs all the struggles. Cloves and flax seeds are some of the natural ingredients that helped me grow my hair faster after I did my big chop. And now my hair is growing so much thicker and beautiful. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use flaxseed, cloves, and virgin hair fertilizer to grow my hair. If you really want to know how I do this, make sure you're watching to the end. Let's get into it. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. And you all know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we give videos thumbs ups before starting to watch. And if you are new here, you make sure to subscribe and click on the bell because it's always jamming on this channel and you do not want to miss any of my DIY uploads. So make sure to subscribe and click on the bell if you are new here. So our first ingredient for today's recipe is flax seeds. And our next ingredient is cloves. Both ingredients are really great for natural hair and can help you grow your hair faster. The reason why I love these ingredients is they are very inexpensive and very easy to find. You can find them in your local grocery store or your local market. If you haven't seen any of these before, just pause the video and take a screenshot and you can bring it to your grocery store or your market to find these great ingredients. Okay, so I start by putting some flax seeds in a saucepan like so. Then after that, I'm going to add my cloves. Then I'm also going to add some water to it. And guess what we're going to do to this? We're going to put it on the stove to allow it to boil. Make sure this is boiling on a medium heat. You give it a stir every now and then to make sure the flax seeds do not stick under the pan. Okay, so we're going to leave it to boil for about 15 minutes. Or when you see foam settling on top of the water like so. The water starts to thicken up when it starts to boil. So when you feel that it's been thick enough, just turn off the fire and we're going to strain it. This is one secret. Do not allow your flax seeds to cool down before you strain it. Strain it immediately whilst it's hot. Doing it this way will make life so much easier on you. You don't want to struggle with it because when it cools down, it thickens up and straining it that way will take a lot of time. But it's very easy to do it this way. Okay, so now that we have our cloves and flaxseed water, it's been cooled down and it's all thickened up. We're going to transfer it into an applicator bottle to make the use much easier. I hope you're enjoying this video because I enjoyed filming it. And if you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell. Also, I would love to hear from you if you have used cloves or flax seeds in your hair in any way. So leave me your comments in the section below. This is where all the struggle begins. Look at that. I thought putting this in the applicator bottle will make everything much easier. But no. The struggle was real. Oh my goodness, I almost gave up. But I knew the benefits of these, so I kept going. All right. It's very important to work in sections because it makes detangling much easier. So I work in sections. I make sure I put the flaxseed and cloves mixture in my hair. Then after that, I use my fingers to detangle. It makes working with your hair so much easier. After that, I put it in a twist to return all the moisture. Make sure you are doing this, otherwise your hair will dry out. I love this treatment because it helps boost hair growth. Flax seeds are really great for our hair because it is rich in vitamin E. The nutrients promote the health of the scalp. And this helps improve circulation on the scalp. And this promotes hair growth and also slows down hair breakages. Cloves are also really great for the natural hair. Cloves can prevent dandruff, it can prevent premature growing of the hair, it can prevent hair breakages and also improve the overall health of your scalp. Cloves can help you grow your hair much faster. So if you haven't used cloves before, make sure to incorporate cloves in your DIYs. After applying it, I put a cap on it like so. Then I'm going to leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes. And since I'm waiting, I'll go ahead and prepare my virgin hair fertilizer. Let me show you how I use this to grow my hair. But before I do, you know how we do it here, girl. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. Okay, so this is my virgin hair fertilizer. I love this conditioner because It helps with your scalp, it improves the overall health of your scalp, and help you grow your hair much faster. I've been using Zest for a while, and ever since I started using it, I just fell in love with it. The tingling effect on your scalp and how it makes your hair feel smoother makes you know that this is really going to help your hair. So this is how I start to use it. I put some in a little bowl like so. I mean, there is no measurement to this. Depending on how thick your hair is, you just measure it. I gauge it and measure it. Then after, I'm going to add my tea tree oil. Just reading on the bottle, you see so much benefits of the tea tree oil. It helps with scalp, it moisturizes dry hair, and it can also help you grow your hair much faster. As you all know, new hair grows from the scalp, so any treatment that will help treat your scalp is very, very important for a natural hair. The next thing I'm going to add is glycerin. Glycerin moisturizes the scalp and promotes healthy hair. Our hair needs moisture. Glycerin hydrates the hair and scalp. It improves the overall health of the hair, it prevents hair breakages, and also will help you grow your hair much longer, thicker, and beautiful. I'm also going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is really great for natural hair because it can promote hair growth, it can reduce dandruff, it adds some shine to the hair, and it makes the hair really silk and smooth. And for that reason, will prevent hair breakages, split ends, or any hair damages. Okay, so now that I have everything together like so, I'm going to mix it. And I'm going to use my spoon to stir everything together. But there is one more ingredient that I'm going to add to it. I love the fragrance of this ingredient. And I know you've already guessed it if you've been watching my video, because you know I love my lavender oil. Lavender oil have this beautiful fragrance that I love. Aside that, it can also help treat your scalp and add some strength to your hair strands. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes and my hair is all ready. I washed it and this is how it's looking. It's quite dry, so I need to moisturize it. I'm going to go in with my male's leave-in conditioner like so. Then after that, I'm going to add some oil, which is the coconut oil. I love coconut oil because it's really lightweight. It can really absorb into your hair strands and help you grow your hair much faster. It adds some shines to the hair and it can also prevent dandruff. So this is how my hair is looking now. I'm going to use my hair fertilizer on it. I just grab a section like so and I just rub it in it. This mixture will help moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for a very long time. It is also great for your scalp, so make sure you are using this on your scalp. Massage it into your scalp because massaging your scalp is really great for your hair. It helps with blood circulation and improves hair growth. Just use it on the hair strands, on the ends, and everywhere because this treatment, girl, you're gonna love it. Just give it a try and let me hear from you in the comment section. After that, do not forget to put your hair in a protective hairstyle. It's very, very important you always lock in the moisture. So I decided to do the African threading method just to stretch my hair. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching it because I enjoyed filming it. I hope you've already given this video a thumbs up, but if you haven't done so, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so you do not miss any of my videos. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. You're gonna love it. Bye.